Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to pre-process the data for regression. Okay, we are using here house prices data where price is the target and rest are the features. Okay, now in this first question we have to tell how many samples which we can do by using houses dot shape of 0. So in this second question, we have to calculate what is the average house price. So we will do it by house of price dot mean of skip NA equal to true. Okay. So let's do this. In the next question, what we have to do is how many houses has 5 or more rooms. So we have a variable RM in the dataset which determines the number of rooms in a house. Okay, and we will what we'll do is houses of RM is greater than equal to 5. So the condition houses of RM greater than equal to 5 will give the number of houses, number of rows with the rooms greater than equal to 5, and dot using dot shape of 0 will get the number of rows from it. In the next question what we have to do is what is the average price of top 10 most expensive houses in lakhs we have to find out. So we will do is houses of price dot sort values ascending equal to false dot head n equal to 10 dot mean. So this will give the answer. In the next question, what we have to do is what is the total missing or unknown values in age feature? So we'll get it by houses of age equal minus 2 dot shape. So this is our answer. Okay. Now let's beautify it. In the next question, what we have to do is what is the total missing values or unknown values in the riverside feature. So we'll do the same and put riverside equal to unknown dot shape of 0 and rest will be the same. In the next question what we have to do is how many houses are on riverside and were built within 50 years. What we will do is houses of riverside equal yes and houses of age is less than 50 dot shape of 0 and this will be our answer. Okay, in the next question what it is asked is how many houses are built near to exactly 6, 7 or 8 highways. So we will use highway count as our starting point. So houses of highway count equal 6 or houses of highway count equal 7 or houses of highway count equal 8 dot shape of 0 and this will be your answer. In the next question, what is asked is create a column category and divide the houses into following. Category 1 with less than 10 lakhs, category 2 with 10 to 20, category 3 20 to 30 and same goes on till 5 category. Now we will make a bins variable with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and float of infinity and labels with category 1 up to category 5. So the answer will be houses of category is equals to td dot cut houses of price comma bins equals to bins labels equal to label right equal to false and answer will be houses of category dot describe of top and this will be our answer. In this question we have to replace the unknown values with np.nan. So let's begin with it and then after this keep the 30% of the data as test set, use random state equal to 0, price equal to target and the rest of the columns are features. Apply train test split. So let's do this question. So what we will do in this is First import the things, okay, and houses of age equals to houses of age dot apply lambda x such that x if x is greater than equal to 0, else np dot nan, and we'll do similar to the rm thing because rm is minus 2 where it is unknown. So yeah, and for the reverse side what we'll do is np dot nan if x equal unknown, otherwise x, okay, else x. In this question what you have to do is you have to first take this columns and then apply min-max scalars to the sum and to. So we will use x train equal to x train dot drop category, comma, x is equals to 1, comma, errors equals to ignore. So if there is present, if the column is present in the x train, then we will get no error. And if we get any error, then it will just ignore it. So we will do the same to the test also. Okay, I will just copy paste it because it is a labor to write these one by one. So I'll not waste it. Now after this, make a transformer pipeline with MinMaxScaler, then StandardScaler, then mean imputer, after that median imputer, and after that cat imputer and encoder. After this, we will make column transformer in which we will put our things. So in this thing, in our data set, there are 13 columns and in which one of them is reverse side which has two values, unique values, yes or no. And when we just one hot encode it, then we get two more columns, one for the yes one and the second for the no one. So when we do that, so we will get 14 columns in total. So you can calculate it via manually or you can just do this. I'm sorry, when I was making this video, I just deleted one of its part. So yeah, you have to see that part from the collab itself. So the next question says we have to compute the mean of the feature matrix. So we will use x test processed dot mean. So what it will give the mean of the test values. Okay, but we have to compute the mean of the total. So we will do dot mean on this thing. Okay, and get our answer and copy the answer till two digits from right, so it will be 5.56. Okay, for this data set like pre-processing 1, and now after this I'll make a video on model building. So I would like to say if you are doing this thing on the 27th, then just try to take the collab file which will help you the most, and watch this video after the uh, you know 28 or someday. But yeah, when you think like your answers are correct, so then you have to like subscribe my channel. Okay, so just keep sharing, keep learning, and keep subscribing. Okay friends, see you later. Bye bye.